Hello students, now in this session I will explain sum number 6 of exercise 11.4. Now according to the figure there is a rectangular park. This whole rectangle is a rectangular park. Okay, just imagine this as a park and these are the crossroads. These are the roads which are crossing each other over here. Fine. Now and these are the part where you can imagine that might be a garden or the flowers have been planted and the peoples are walking around this road and enjoying this park. Okay, now what is the first question they have given? See, some dimensions are also given. The dimension, that is the length of the rectangle park, is given 700 meter. The width of the park is given 300 meter. Okay, and there are two roads are there, that is PQRS is given. This is a road, okay, whose width is given 10 meter, and there is another road, that is ABCD. The width of this road is also 10 meter. Fine. What is the first question they have asked? Find the area of the roads. So you have to get the area of the road first. That is also in hectare. I will explain this unit later on. And also another thing that you have to find out is the area of the park excluding the crossroad. That means this black shaded portion. Okay, you have to get the area. For that, what you have to do, from the rectangle you have to minus this two area of roads. That is, if I subtract area of roads from the area of the rectangle, then I will get all those portions which are black shaded. Okay, so these are the shaded portions which is equal to the area of park excluding the crossroads. Okay, so first of all we'll get the area of the road. Now if you carefully observe these two roads has a common zone. See, I have marked this particular zone with red color. So this zone is common to both the roads. So this particular zone will be subtracted from these two roads. Okay, so we'll only consider this part up till this part and this part also. This part is a common, so we'll not take as a consideration. But how to find the area of the roads? So first thing, area of roads is equals to area of, see, it is a rectangle shape, isn't it? This is a rectangle shape. So area of rectangle PQRS, area of rectangle PQRS plus, this is also a rectangle, isn't it? Area of rectangle, area of rectangle ABCD, and we have to subtract this part, that it is a square. Why it is a square? You see, if this is 10, this is also 10. Okay, so all the side would be 10 only. So this particular part is a square shape. So minus area of square KLMN. This is how you will get the area of roads. Now what is the formula of rectangle? Length into breadth, isn't it? So we'll write it down, length into breadth. This is also length into breadth, and this is side into side. Okay, now length into breadth means, now if I consider this particular rectangle, see very properly. Okay, if I consider this rectangle PQRS, so this is the length and this is the width, isn't it? The width is 10, but I cannot see what is the length. But if you compare this QS with this line, this outer line, so this would be equivalent to 700 meters. Okay, so this particular line segment and QS is equal to each other. Okay, so the length of PQRS is 700 and width is 10 meter. So in place of length you will write 700 meter, and you will, in place of width you will write 10 meter. Now let's check out with this rectangle. Now see, this is length and this is width. Now this width is equivalent to this line segment, isn't it? This side. So this is what, how much the dimension of this side is 300 meter, isn't it? And So this side and this side will be equivalent to each other. That is, if this is 300, so BD is also 300, and width is length is 10 meter, width is 300 meters. So in place of length we will write 10 meter, and in place of width we will write 300 meter. Now we have to get the area of this square. Now each side of the square is given 10, so we will write 10 meter into 10 meter. Okay, so what is the answer of this? 7. How many zeros would be there? 3 zeros. 3 zeros, meter square, and this would be 3000 meter square, and this would be 100 meter square. So if I solve this, 7 plus 3 is 10, 1 2 3 meter square minus 100 meter square. So answer would be 9900. 9900 meters square. Okay, so this is the area of roads. Okay, now as because you have to give your answer in hectare, so what you have to do is you have to divide this 99,000 by 10,000. Okay, by 10,000, because since 1 meter square equals to 1 upon 10,000 I suppose, 10,000 meter square. Sorry, I just wrote a hectare. 1 meter square equals to 1 by 10,000 hectare. So your required answer would be 0.99 hectare. Okay, this is the first answer. Now what you have to do, what is the second one? Area of the park excluding the crossroads, isn't it? For that, what we have to find out? Area of the park, that is length into breadth, and we have to minus this 9,900 meters square. Then only we'll get this shaded portion. Okay, so the first thing what we'll do, area of the park. Area of the park. So area of the park is length into breadth. Now what is length? 700, and breadth is what? 300. So 700 meter into 300 meter. So the answer is 21 and 4 zeros meters square. So this is the area of the park. Now area of the park excluding the crossroad. So area of the park excluding the crossroads is equals to 21 4 zeros meter square minus 9,900 meter square. Okay, so the required answer would be what? 200,100 meter square. Now again we have to give this answer in hectare form, so again we have to divide it with 10,000. So if I divide it by 10,000, then the answer would be 0.01 hectare. So this is your required answers to this. Okay, first of all you have to get the area of the roads. So area of the roads formula is area of rectangle plus PQRS. Just carefully observe this figure, okay? And I do not want to see that you have just done the solution without this figure. Figure is very, very important, students. Okay? So this is the solution. If you have any confusion, please go back with the video and clear it up. And if then also you are having any problem, do share it on the WhatsApp group. Okay? Thank you so much. Take care and stay blessed.